Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So for this one we have the formula in here. Because this one we have the negative side, so in this situation we have e to the power of a multiplied by e to the power of negative b, and we know that this one that is about 1 over e to the power of b based on the formula of the power in here. That's why we have this one. Next, we multiply both sides by e to the power of y. Next, we have e to the power of y, and first derivative of y, e to the power of y. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to e to the power of y. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one we change by v, this one we change by this one. Next, we divide both sides by s. So we see that we have v, and first derivative of v, that is about linear differential equations. So we need to find about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that 1 over s with the positive sign next to v, that is for integrating factor. And this one we have L and S. So we simplify this one and we have S. That means we multiply both sides by S. So this one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So we have like this. Later that we need to use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one we have vs. This one we have e to the power of s, and I will put about c in here. About v, that is about this one. Next, we divide both sides by x. Next, we put ln for the both sides. Now, we have the formula in here. And the second one. So ln e to the power of y, that is about this one. Now we need to transform into this one. So b will go outside or y will go outside. ln e equals to number 1. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.